Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download and install RAR and zip packing or unpacking app on a Nokia C21 Plus. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find the app called RAR, it's RAR. Hit the search button, now select this app and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Allow the access to manage all files, go back, dismiss this notification, and the app is ready. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.